Hi guys, good morning. Welcome back to another vlog. As you can see, I'm back in my kettle and it's a mess. Oh my god. I have a lot of cleaning to do this week. Like, my kettle is a mess. Look, everything is on the bed. Oh god. Well, this vlog is gonna include maintenance, cleaning, prepping for my friend's traditional wedding. My friend is getting married, guys. My friend is getting married. Check this out. These are caps arrived for the bridesmaid. Of course, I'm doing bridesmaid duties. Those arrived before I got to Accra. So I'm excited. I'll take you guys through the prepping for the wedding because I need to change my hair. Maybe, I don't know, since we are going to scarf our hairs, I don't know if I should change this, but I'll let you guys know. So this week we are doing maintenance. Your girl needs some fresh nails, some lashes, and change of hair because this is already old, right? So we gotta prep for the wedding. I'll take you guys along every detail. Nail day, hair day, lash day, every other day till the wedding. Enjoy this vlog, okay? Finally, I'm done cleaning and this is a face scrub on my face. I'm prepping to go take my shower. I used coconut mixed with coffee and sugar scrub on my face. I'm gonna let this sit for a while. Then I go take my shower and head out. I'm proud of myself right now. Wife material, 1,000 yards. Can you afford? Nope. See ya. Hey guys. We just closed from work and it's like 5:20. So I'm about heading out to go remove this braids, wash my hair, and wear my wig. One of them. So yeah, let's go.
Baby, talk to me.
Black Majesty.
Ayo, Kelly, you're mad at this.
Yeah, I know you're scared to your gut, I can feel it in my heart. Every time we are apart, and I understand, cause you're only protecting your heart. You don't wanna restart again. Yeah, I love it when you talk to me. Come to me with all that insecurity. Don't stay mute, baby, talk to me. That's how we go, that's maturity. Echoes from the past, threats from the future. You scared we won't last. Haters will laugh and say you don't cast. And you wasted your time, you now run out cast back. Baby, deep down, you know that's bullshit. You know I'm all in, no exits. Your ex broke your heart, let me fix it. Put a ring on it, hold my hands, let's come. Mid.
Baby, talk to me. You know you are.
Hey guys, how are you doing? Good morning.
Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Yes, welcome back to another day of the maintenance.
Yeah.
Yeah, as you can see, I'm wearing my wig and I'm looking all fly as shit.
Fly as shit. Okay.
No, I don't have spoon.
That sounds like a
No. So guys, my friend just brought me boba and she's helping me do it. I'm loved. I'm loved at home and at work. Say hi. Of course. Thank you.
Hey, I believe this energy now. That I've lost it. But
So guys, today I'll go and do my lashes after work. I've already booked the appointment. So I'm waiting till 5.
order rice for me.
Rice. Which one? Jody Johnny?
How much is chicken?
I don't know. I've never bought chicken from
Hey,
there.
ask him if you actually.
Okay.
Let's see how much. Rice and chicken, how much will this?
Alright, I'll order for you guys. I'm gonna have to work right now. I'm gonna go back to work right now. I'll talk to you guys later, okay?
Okay.
Cheers. Hi guys. So yesterday I wasn't able to show you guys my toenails, of course. Yeah. I left there pretty late, so I'm gonna show you right now, okay? Update. My lash appointment just got cancelled. Like, don't laugh. Guys, so as I was saying, my lash tech had to cancel because she said she's going to church evening service, and now plans have changed. I have to go book appointment and go do my nails. Like, oh my god, it's all good. So plans have changed, guys. I'm going to do my nails instead. Yeah, and it's light out, so I'm using my light. I've closed and the time is 5:30. So
What are you to do your nails?
yes, I'm going to do my nails. We are done for the day. Oh my god. It's like today I took you guys throughout my whole day at work, but I didn't show you the works I did. It was a lot. Oh, the light is back. Yay! Let's close and go. This is what I'm wearing today. Let's go get our nails fixed. I'm excited.
You know you are all I need, yeah. You know the trust is my currency. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Always alright. Da, 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 da.
My beautiful nail tech.
Yeah, majesty. The way you walk, the way you talk, the way you make me know I am the boss. The way you hold me, the way we the way you make me feel. Yeah, I have a plan for us tonight. Yeah, I know you own it, but be polite. I'm yours, you're mine, and it's for life. Wanna see it all, turn on the light.
So that is why when you got on when you like you are also having your
Say thank you for being my life. My soulmates, friend, lover tonight. Yes. We wet these sheets to stay in the white. Yeah, I have a plan for us tonight. To show you love you've never seen before. Never in your life. Title is 4:30. Yeah, yeah. To the morning, ask for more. Yeah.
Baby, you're my sunshine.
My sunshine.
That's why I know they take you to play. You're my weakness, you're my muse, you're my sunshine. Without you, I am not okay.
Bye.
thank you for coming.
Oh, you're welcome.
Didn't let me open the gate for you.
Don't worry, it's fine.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Guys, I'm done. I'm going home. I'm going to meet my sister. Oh my god.
Love is unconditional, not the usual. It makes me feel numb.
I might move to Miami, beach house after Miami. Speak it into existence, continue to mind my business. I don't fuck with no niggas, don't do heartbreaks and favors. I ain't got no behavior, steady making my paper. I drink it straight, fuck a chaser. I can't bring no dishonor, never still like Winona. Keep it cool like Corona, yeah, good cock come from the nest. I take chance and take risks, fuck you think that this is.
appreciate. And I hope you enjoy your installation.
Of course, I did. Looking all fly. No ways to give up, baby. All over the world, mama me, oh, baby, it's all stop. I want my stuff. Hi guys, I'm here to show you my nails and my hair. Nails, check. Hair, check. Face, pretty. Hi guys, so we are all set for the wedding. Today is Friday and I'm at work as usual. Tomorrow is the wedding, which is Saturday. Yeah, I feel like I have to end this vlog here because it's more than 10 minutes already, so watch out for the next episode. Okay, bye.